What is up, guys? And today I've got a pretty special video that I want to tell you about a company that makes specialized products for specialized individuals, and it's probably going to be geared more towards men, specifically men with teenage daughters. Now this company, TDBK, that makes specialized kits for specialized individuals, basically if you have a teenage daughter with a boyfriend, then this company is for you. They make specialized kits to help you cope with the fact that your teenage daughter has a boyfriend. Let's face it, guys, it's gonna happen. So I happen to have one here with me today. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm gonna unbox it and I wanna go through some of the things that are in it. So I'm gonna show you the first thing that's in here. And the first thing is a roll of duct tape. That's weird. What else we got in here? That's kind of an odd thing to have in a kit for. So we've got a few different things in here. We've got in the teenage daughter kit for boyfriends, we got a zip tie. It's weird. So duct tape, zip tie, and also we got a club and a. Well, anyway, we're not gonna date. Don't worry about that. Let's face it, guys. Our teenage daughters are gonna date, and it's just the way it is. Let's hope, that we teach them, we give them the right tools and the right knowledge to make the right decisions when we're not there. Because let's face it, we can't always be there. We can't always be in the same place that our kids are. So all we can do as parents is just hope that we teach them that when they're in certain positions, that they make the right decisions. That's all we can do. This was surely for entertainment purposes only. It's okay, you can laugh. Have a good day, guys.